welcome to another wellness unboxing video. We're doing a deep dive into holistic dental care with Living Libations. Living Libations is one of our favorite clean beauty brands, and the founder, Nadine Artemis, is also an expert in holistic dental care. And her mission is to help us ditch the toxic chemical-laden self-care products and reconnect with the pure power of botanicals. They're based out of Canada. Nadine lives on a beautiful lake, and we love highlighting this line of luxurious, holistic, high-vibe oral care. So let's dive in. Here's the book, Holistic Dental Care by Nadine Artemis. This book is a must-read, lays out exactly how conventional dental products can impact our health, from fluoride overload to harsh detergents, stripping our mouth's microbiome. She breaks down how to nourish, strengthen, and remineralize our teeth naturally using pure botanicals and oils. And if you're looking to fully transition to holistic oral care, this book is your ultimate guide. Next, we have their bestsellers in dental care. You can see how beautiful the packaging is, how thoughtful and caring. We absolutely love it. So first we have the Happy Gums Cleansing Toothpaste. So Living Libations toothpaste are made naturally to detox your mouth. And this one specifically is made with bentonite clay, essential oils and minerals, and it cleans and strengthens without synthetic foaming agents. This is based on a completely different principle. And as you can see, the texture is nothing like traditional toothpaste. Living Libations recommend brushing gently in a circular motion for up to 2 minutes, and it can also be combined with a drop of their tooth serums for even a deeper clean, and we're gonna look at one of those in a bit. By the way, it smells amazing. Next, we have a couple of products here that are already unpacked. As you can see, again, so much care that went into this. So what we're gonna look at first is this Yogi Tooth Serum with Neem, clove, and cardamom, and it deeply cleanses and supports the gums that Nadine speaks about in the book, how crucial it is to maintain the health of your gums to protect the teeth. So I really recommend actually reading the book first and then applying the products, because you will learn so much about how the teeth are a part of a bigger ecosystem and part of the metabolism and how everything's connected. And also each tooth is connected to a meridian in the body. So this is just amazing, the holistic view of the body, of the dental care that Nadine applies to all of her products. For the serum, you can use it in multiple ways. You can add it to your toothbrush or mix it with your toothpaste. You can also massage it directly onto your gums for extra care. And Living Libations also recommends applying a drop to floss for the next level of freshness and gum support. And it just smells so good. And then we also have the Mint Condition Mineral Tooth Powder. So this is basically a mineral-rich remineralizing toothpaste that actually works with your body to support strong teeth and fresh breath. For best results, Living Libations recommends dry brushing and using a small amount on a dry toothbrush. Brushing very gently, this is something that Nadine actually emphasizes in the book, to rather brush for a longer time and gently enjoying the process. And what she also recommends is spitting, but not rinsing right away. And last, we have their Frankincense Fresh Floss. So I am personally super excited about this. As you can see, it's infused with silk floss and frankincense. So this is a botanical that has been used for centuries for its purifying properties. And Living Libations recommends starting with flossing and then actually brushing the teeth. And just a small reminder, you can use a drop of the serum directly on the floss every time you're flossing, and this is how Nadine recommends it as well, as a daily ritual. Now, if you know Living Libations, you know that they don't do mediocre. They take dental care to a whole new level of holistic luxury. All of their products are holistic and natural, with no synthetic chemicals, no foaming agents, no junk, just clean, powerful ingredients straight from nature. All of their products are also botanical powered, with ingredients like neem, frankincense, and clove to work together to cleanse, nourish, and elevate your dental care routine. And as the added bonus, Living Libations are founded by Nadine, who is all about high vibe natural wellness that actually works. We highly recommend checking out her other book that will change your entire outlook on the elements, on nature, and beauty. In my eyes, Nadine is an amazing visionary, so we love recommending her work in all forms. Now, if you're ready to elevate your dental care routine, check out the links below. We do, as always, offer a special discount through RCC. When you click the link, the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. And also, if you like this video and you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. This will allow us to make more quality reviews of wellness and health products for you guys, and let us know if you tried Living Libations Dental Care and what your experience was. Stay healthy, radiant, and we'll see you next time.